nucleotides join. The successive nucleotides of DNA are joined together through phosphodiester linkages. This is a phosphate group, and this is ribose sugar, and this is nitrogenous base. And here is another phosphate group another nucleotide, and both nucleotides are joined together with the phosphodiester bond. This is the phosphodiester bond, condensation reaction, phosphodiester linkage, and water is formed. When two nucleotides combine together, condensation reaction is formed, occurred, and water is formed. And both the nucleotides get joined together with this phosphodiester bond. Okay. DNA is one of the greatest events in the history of science. The work of Chargaff led him to following conclusions, also called Chargaff rules. Base composition of DNA varies from one species to another. The DNA is isolated from different tissues of the same species have the same base composition. The base composition of DNA in a given species does not change with an organism's age, nutritional state, or changing environment. In DNA, the number of adenosine residues is equal to the number of thymidine, and the number of guanosine residues is equal to the number of cytidine. It means that the sum of purine residues equals the sum of pyrimidine residues. Ag is equals to Tc. DNA structure. Nitrogenous bases: guanine, cytosine, thymine, adenine. And this is the DNA structure. And sugar phosphate. This is sugar phosphate, and these are base pairs. Okay, and it is done.